how to share your TikTok profile on TikTok and on another apps. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to share your TikTok profile on TikTok or on another apps. So all you need to do is click on TikTok and click on those three buttons up there. Click on setting and privacy. On the first option, which is account, click on share profile and you can choose apps like Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, anything. And also you can share your profile to your friends. Just click on search and click the name of your friends. And this is it guys. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe and like.